The Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology (PHIVOLCS) reported a magnitude 5.0 earthquake in Leyte early Monday. The tectonic quake struck 10 kilometers southwest of Burauen town in Leyte at 12:39 a.m., according to PHIVOLCS. Pastrana town in Leyte experienced intensity V, while Palo and Tacloban city experienced intensity 4. In addition, the following instrumental intensities were recorded: Ormoc City intensity V, Abuyog and Palo, Leyte, intensity 4, intensity 3, Leyte Salongalang and Carigara, Southern Leyte Sugod Calubian, Leyte San Francisco, Cebu intensity 2, Lapu-Lapu and Argao City, Cebu, intensity I. According to PHIVOLCS, no damage is expected as a result of the earthquake, but aftershocks may occur. The country is located on the geologically active Pacific Ring of Fire, an interconnected circle of fault lines that are constantly under pressure from superhot molten lava.